Okay, good morning to everyone. Okay, today we are going to say about simplification of Boolean expression and implementation using gates. So simplify the Boolean expression or simplify the following Boolean expression they have given and implement using gates. Okay, this is the thing we are going to see about. Okay, we can simplify by three methods. First method, Boolean algebra. Okay, second method, K-map, Carnot map or K-map. Third method, Quine-McKelvey method. The other name is called tabulation method. There are three methods are there. Okay, the Boolean algebra, if we are having only two variables, only two inputs, we can go for Boolean algebra. If you have more than two variables, it's very difficult to solve. So if we are having 3 variable, 4 variable, 5 variable, up to 5 variable, we will solve by K-map method. Okay, if it is 6, more than 6 means we will go for Quine-McKelvey method. Okay, now we will check it whether how many variable problem. Okay, what is the Boolean function? Y equal to sigma m of 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What is the meaning? Given is min term or max term. Here, if it is sigma means it is min term. If instead of sigma, if they gave pi, that is called max term. Okay, so here they have given sigma. Sigma means min term. So 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What is the meaning of this thing? See, in this location, this is decimal number. In this equivalent binary number, this decimal number, equivalent binary number, what is the value? We need 1, not 0, 1. Suppose it is max term means its equivalent binary number, it should be 0. But here y equal to sigma m of this number, this decimal number, its equivalent binary number, it should be, we will have to get 1. Remaining value we have to get 0. Okay, how many variable problem here this is? See, simple method, if the number is 3 less than 3, maximum number, the largest value is 3 less than 3, okay, 3 or less than 3, okay, which is equal to 2 variable. Then 7 less than 7, it is 3 variable. 15 less than 15, it is 4 variable. Variable means only input here, nothing but, okay. 31, this is nothing but 5 variable. This is the thing. Actually, what the general term is 2 power n minus 1, where n is the number of variables or inputs. For example, if you take 15, 15 is nothing but 2 power 4. 2 power 4 minus 1. 2 power 4 is 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. So this is 15 or less than 15. So number of variables is 4. What is meant by variable? Variable is nothing but input. Okay. So what are the inputs we can have? So y equal to, what is the thing? Yes, a function of how many variables? A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D. So these are the inputs. So we have to convert this thing in this form, binary form. Okay. So what is the meaning of this thing? The meaning of this thing equal to y equal to, in which value I have to write? See, this is min term. So in this location I need, what the value I need? I need 1. So what is the equivalent binary number here? 8 means what the value? 8 means 1000, 1000. Here in this location I need what thing? I need 1. Similarly, what is 10? 10 means 1010. Up to 15 you should remember. Or the binary to decimal, decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to these three things. Octal is not necessary. Binary up to 15, 0 to 15, binary equivalent, hexadecimal, decimal. Three things you have to remember. Hexadecimal used in microprocessor. Next subject. Okay. Next 11 means 1011, 12 means 1100, 13 means 1101, 14 means 1110, 15 means 1111. So it's 4 variable. 4 variable of inputs are sufficient. In this location, okay, in this location, this is decimal number, equivalent binary number. In this location, what I need? I need 1. Why need 1? Why I am telling 1? Because it is given as min term. Okay, I can draw the truth table. That are all not necessary. Truth table, what is mean by truth table? So 4 variables A, B, C, D. So output is Y. So here 0, 0, 0 means output I should get 0. Like this I have to write them. When I am getting 1, 0, 0, 0 means I should get 1. Like this thing, I have to write the truth table. Truth table is not necessary. Actually, this is also not necessary. Okay. So what is the equivalent min term for this thing? The equivalent min term for this thing equal nothing but, okay, 100. It is a 4 variable because we have identified it is a 15 4 variable. A, B, C, D are the variable. So y equal to what I am going to write? Here I am going to write canonical SOP form. What is meant by canonical SOP form? Wherever I am getting 1, I have to write the equation. Here I am getting, in this location I need 1. So canonical SOP form. SOP form, 1 are given with unbar letter, zeros are given with bar letter. Bar letter. So here what is this? This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Likewise everything. So this is A, B bar, C bar, D bar plus this thing. This is first thing. Second one is A, B bar, C, D bar for this 1010 plus A, this thing, for this thing, A, B bar, C, D, plus, what is this thing? A, B, C bar, D bar, plus, what is 1100? So, what is 110? 11 means A, B, what is 0? 0 means C bar, this is D, plus A, B, C, D bar, plus 1111 means A, B, C, D. This is the Boolean expression. That is canonical SOP form. This is canonical SOP form. This is the thing we have to implement. This we have to implement using gates. Directly, is it possible to implement? Yes, I can implement. You implement it this thing. But how many number of gates are there? How much number gates are required? It will be very large, very high. Okay, more number of gates are required. So here I had to simplify this equation. How to simplify? Already I had told there are 3 methods are there. So what are the methods? Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra, it is very difficult. If a man took this thing, at least half an hour it will take to solve this thing by using Boolean algebra. So directly we are going for which method? K-map method. K-map method is very easy. Already we have seen structure of K-map. So in structure of K-map, so this thing is not necessary. This is not necessary to write this canonical SOP. Directly we can solve. Okay, what is K-map SOP? K-map for 4 variable problem. 4 variable problem, what is the K-map? So we are going to solve by K-map method. For K-map method, this is not necessary. This equation and this thing, everything is not necessary. These are all not needed. Directly we can go for the problem. Directly from the problem. First what we have to do? First we have to check given is min term or max term. This is the first thing. See, any Boolean algebra we have to solve by, see it is 2 variable, solved by which method? Ordinary Boolean algebra. Okay. 3 variable, 4 variable, 5 variable, you solve by which method? K-map method. If it is given with the tabulation method or Quine-Merkelsi method, both are same. You can solve by that method. Otherwise, generally you solve by K-map method. See, not only this unit, first unit, second unit, third unit, fourth unit, all the units we are going to solve Boolean algebra, Boolean expression we are going to solve. So we are going to solve. Okay, before that I have to solve. Okay, simplify the Boolean expression. Okay, we are going to solve by SOP method or POS method. Suppose they have not given anything, means we are going to solve by SOP method. Okay, there are 2 methods are there. One is SOP method, other one is POS method. Okay, 2 methods are there. Now I am going to see this title itself. This is SOP form, SOP method. This is the main thing. We are going to solve by SOP method, this method. Okay, because simplify the Boolean expression and just like I have given, if that thing they have given means we have to solve by only which method? SOP method, sum of product. Sum of product means this is sum of product method. That's okay. Product of sum means it will give like this, A plus B plus C bar, like this it will come. So A bar plus B into C, like this is called product of sum method. Normally we won't go for product of sum method. In the first unit only we will segregate into POS SOP, but after second unit, third unit we have to solve these things. Okay, we will solve only by SOP method. Okay, sum of product. Okay, I have written the min terms. Okay, next, how many variable? 4 variable. So 4 variable, already we know the 4 variable K-map. What is the structure? This is the structure of the 4 variable K-map. Okay, okay, here AB and here CD. Okay, here this is 0 0, this is 0 1, this is 1 1, this is 1 0. I think already you have remembered this thing. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. See, 0 0, after 0 0 only D is changing. After this thing which is changing, only C is changing. After this thing which is changing, C is common, D is changing. See, actually this is a circle like our earth. Okay, this and this are connected together. This and this are connected together. See, this is C, this is D bar. Okay, coming to this thing which is changing, C is changing. See, this compared to this thing here, this is 0, this is 1, but this both is 0. So both. Okay, I will explain later. I will explain. Okay, now I have to write this 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, what is the location? This thing 0 0 0 0 means what's the value? This is nothing but 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. You write it in pencil. Okay, 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, these are the things. Okay, these are all decimal numbers. So these are all not necessary for us. So these are all not necessary. If the given problem is given, we won't going to write like this thing. Okay, first we have to see whether it is given is min term or max term. Okay, min term means okay, directly we will go for directly how many, next second one is how many variable problem. Okay, then we have to think about SOP method or POS method. Normally we will go for SOP method only. First we have to check whether it is min term or max term. Given is that. Next, what is the maximum value from this thing, how many variable problem, then SOP method we will go. If POS method mentioned, you have to go for POS method, otherwise solve by SOP method. Okay, then the SOP method we are solved. So here in SOP method, sum of product method, zeros are given with, already I had told, bar letter, and 1 are given with unbar letter. So what I am going to do for simplification, 0 0 is sufficient. Here what is the value? 0 0 means what is the value? This is A bar, B bar. This is A bar, B. This is A, B. This is A, B bar. This is for convenient I am writing C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. So here onwards I am going to write this red color letter only. Okay, I am not going to write this thing. Why? Because this is not necessary. We are going to write the equation from this red color only, A, B, C, D only. Okay, from the alphabets only, but the numericals I am not going to write. Okay, so this is the thing. What we have to do, see, here in this location what I need, 1 or 0, I need 1. Okay, so what is the procedure? First we have to check min terms or max terms. Since it is min term, this location I need 1. Okay, second thing, what is the maximum value? If the maximum value is 3, it is 2 variable. Maximum value is 7 or less than 7, it is 4 variable. Less than 7 means what the meaning? It should be between 4, 5, 6 should be there. Okay, 8, 9, 10 like this. If up to 15, it is 4 variable. If more than 15, up to 31, it is 5 variable. Okay, apart from this, we won't get anything. Maximum thing 5 variable only. Okay, so in this location, I have to put 1. So what is the thing? It is 8. Where we are having 8? See, 8 is here. So 8. Okay, next 10, 11, next 12, 13, 14, 15. In this location, I need 1. Remaining locations, what's the value? That are the values, nothing but 0. Here 0. Remaining all the values are 0. 0. Okay. Now, I have filled this thing. This is filling the K-map. How to fill the K-map? From the min terms, we have to fill the K-map. After filling the K-map, now we have to box the ones. Okay, now we have in SOP method. See, this is the method of filling. Even SOP method or POS method, this common. These are all common except this thing. Okay, in this A bar, B bar, in POS method we will put AB for 0. Here it will be A, B bar like this thing. So I will explain the POS method. Okay, that only remaining all are same for SOP and POS method. Up to this thing is same. Now I have to box all the ones. What does it mean by boxing? So here that's very very important. See, since it's the first problem, I am explaining all those things. We had SOP method. Okay, we have to first point box all the ones. All the ones I have to box. See, what are the ones I am having? All the one I have to box it. Okay, I have to box it. Okay, inside the box. Inside the box. Okay, the number of ones should be, the number of ones should be 2 power n. Okay, just like that I cannot box. It should be 2 power n. What is 2 power n? N may be anything. N may be anything. What is 2 power 0? 2 power 0 equal to what the value? It is 1. 2 power 1 equal to 2. 2 power 3 equal to 3. 2 power 4 equal to, sorry, 2 power 3 equal to 8. 2 power 2 I have missed. 2 power 2 equal to 4. 2 power 3 equal to 8. 2 power 4 equal to 16. 2 power 5 equal to, yeah, 2 power 4 at 7. Okay, so I have to box like this thing only. See, I cannot box 3. I cannot box 5. 5 ones are there means I cannot box. Either I have to box 1, only 1 I can box, 2 I can box, 4 I can box, 8, 16. Okay, like this only I can box it. Okay, this, okay, actually what the thing means, first I have to check in the reverse order. Okay, 16 I have to check. If it is not possible, I have to go for 8. If not possible, I have to go for 4. 4 is not possible. 2 I have to go for 1. If there is no other way to, then only we have to go for 1. Okay, this is the method to box. Okay, so this 2 power n we have to box it. 2 power n should be, it should be say 3, 5 like this. I cannot box it. Should be 2 power n. Larger the box, larger the box, smaller the equation. smaller the equation. So see, if you go for larger box, we will get smaller equation. So here what is the question? Question itself simplify. Simplify means we have to simplify small equation we should get. So for that what we have to go? We have to go for larger box. So that only we have to check it for 16. If 16 is not possible, then only we have to go for which, how much? 68. If 8 is not possible, next we have to go for if 16 is not possible, we have to go for 16 is not, we have to go for 8. If 8 is not possible, we have to go for 4 is not possible, we have to go for 2. If 2 is also not possible, we have to go for 1. So larger the box, smaller the equation. Okay, so we need larger box only. Okay, next fourth one. Okay, what is the size of the, what is the shape of the box? Shape of the box should be, okay, either square or rectangular. Okay, that is how it should be there. Either it should be square, even if it is rectangular, it should be in this shape, okay, or in this shape, like this only. Either it should be square, it may be square, okay, either it can be rectangular. Rectangular means, how rectangular means, it should be like this thing, or it should be like this thing. Okay, this is rectangular shape. We cannot I cannot box like this thing, like this thing. Okay, these are the things. All the box should be box all the ones. All the one has to be boxed. If we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the box has to be one has to be boxed. Inside the box, number of one should be 2 power n. What is 2 power n? 2 power 8. Next 2 power 16. If not possible 16, 8. If 8 is not possible, we have to go for 4. 4 is also not possible, 2, then 1. Okay, larger the box, we have to go for, so we have to check it for 16. Is it possible to box all these 16 like this thing? Okay, next shape should be square or rectangular. So these are the common things. Okay, coming to this thing, coming here. Okay, here I had this some human what's the human, we have to apply our human brain. That's very, very important, because this is somewhat this human intelligence is required here. Okay, suppose here check it out. So we have to go for, is it possible to box all these 16? No, because here zeros are there. We have to box only 1. I have to box only 1. I cannot box all these 16. If it is all or 1, I can box all those things. The answer is 1. Okay, y equal to 1, because it's not like so. Okay, then I have to go for 8. Is it possible I can box 8? See, suppose here it is 1. It is 1, I can box this 8. But since it is not like this thing, so I cannot go for 8. 8 is not possible. 8 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a rectangular. I cannot box y because there is a 0 is there. So then I have to check it for 4. 4 is possible or not? Yes, 4 is possible. Here 4 possible combinations are there. I will explain this thing. See, here this one, see this one, I can box only this method. See, this one is separately, it is located. See, this one I cannot box any method. See, only, see, 16 we cannot box. Next thing, what 8 we cannot box. Next I am coming for 4. 4, here 4 also. See this one, check this one. This one is not at all related with this one. I cannot box with anything. Either I have to box only this thing. So first time I am boxing like this thing. Why I am boxing? For this one I am boxing like this thing. 4, all the 4 I am boxing. So all which are all remaining? See, this one and this one is remaining, this one is remaining. Okay, so first I will consider this 2, 1. How can I box? I can box a triangle like this, I can box. But the thing is that already we have seen, larger the box, smaller the equation. So instead of boxing this 2, I can box 4. Overlapping is allowed. Overlapping is allowed. Already if I box, no issue, I can box it. But I need, if I need a larger box, I can go for overlapping. It is allowed. So what I am going to do, instead of this one, instead of making a rectangular, I am going for a square like this thing. Why I am going for a square? See, these two already boxed, no issue. I can use this thing, this for using this thing, I can box this thing. So coming third one, what I am going to do? Third one, this only one is remaining. So the one what I can do, I can box a single box. Why I have to single box? Is it possible to go for 2 box? Yes, 2 is possible. Okay, whether 4 is possible? Yes, 4 is possible. How 4 is possible? See, this thing already I have showed, this is a circle. This I have that it is a like a globe. Okay, like a globe. This and this are touching each other. Actually, it is like this. It is in three dimension. We have to imagine. Okay, this and this are touching each other. Okay, like this. So what the thing? This and this are. So I can box like this thing. Oh, see. Instead of this only one, I am boxing like this thing. Then only I will get the simplified equation. So three boxes. Whether all the boxes are, all the ones are boxed, is this all the one have been boxed. I have boxed. Now I have to write the equation. Okay, now first we have to box all those things. Next I have to write the equation. So this is the basic step. All 3 units we are going to solve this thing. 3 to 4 units we are going to solve by all. Even 15 unit also we have this. 15 units we won't get. All the 4 units we will solve by SOP method, K-map, but we will use either 3 variable or 4 variable. Okay, this is the basic problem. Okay, I am reaching this thing. Okay, now I will write the equation for this red color. How to write the equation for this red color? So, okay, first what we have to do, y equal to, I am writing the equation for this red color box. How to see means, first I had to see from here, right hand to left hand I had to see. Then second thing I had to see from here. This is first, this is second. Okay, I had to see this red color box. For all 4 1, from I had to see from here. I had to see from for all 4 1, which is common number? For all 4, this 4, the red color box 1 1 1 1. If I see here, this 1 is common. What is the meaning? A is common, whereas B is changing from B to B bar. B to B bar. So we should not take B. We have to, which is common, that letter I had to take. So Y equal to A. Okay. Then I had to check from here, from bottom. First I had to see from left to right. Next I had to see from bottom to top. Which is common? Here D is changing to D bar, where C is common. For both the ones, all the 4 ones, this C is common. So I have to multiply these 2 things, A, C. So inside one particular box I have to multiply. Next I have to put plus. Okay. Next time what I am going to do, I am going for this blue color. Blue color. Okay. I am seeing from here. For blue color, when I see from here, okay, see from here, which is common? All, see, this one, 4 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, from seeing from here, which is common? A is common. Okay, then I have to see from here. That's not listed. Only these 2 things I have to compare. Okay, only these 2 things. Which is common? C is, see, here it is C bar, here it is C. Whereas here is also D bar, here also D bar. The common term I have to write. So this is A D bar plus. Okay, next time, lastly I am going for the green color. Green color, I have to check from this here. For all the 1, all 4 1, A B is common. Okay, A and B is there. A B, because it is not changing, it is all common. A B. If I change C from here, next if I see from here, here it is C for all 4 ones. For this one, this is C bar, this is C. For this one, this is D bar D. So everything will change. So when this type of rectangular is there, it will be only this thing we have to take. If this type of rectangular remains, this time nothing will come. We have to take this thing only we have to take. We will solve many problems. So this is the simplified equation. This is the answer. That's all. This is the answer. Okay, if you go for, just imagine your Boolean algebra. If I get this equation, we have to struggle a lot. Okay, but since it's the first problem, we are going to solve many problems from this. This is SOP form or POS form. This is SOP form. In one particular box, I had to multiply. When I go to the next box, I have to put plus. That is called SOP form. See, red color, one product. Blue color, one product, and green color, another product. All the product I am adding. So how to implement this thing? Implementation is simple. Implementation is nothing but how many inputs are there? A, B, C, D. I have to put 4 lines. Okay. A and C, what I am doing? A and C, what I am doing? I am A and C. This is called implementation. Okay, not like this thing. A and C. This is AC. See, meaning is that if it means connection is there. Next, A and D bar. A and D bar. What I am getting in, this is A D bar. Next, A B. A and B. Okay, all those things what we are doing? We are adding. So adding means OR gate. So this is the output Y. Okay, this is called implementation. If I give 0 0 0 0, what is the output I will get? I put 0. If I give 0 0 0 1, I will get 0. Only for this value, only for this is decimal number, equivalent byte number. What is the equivalent byte number for 8? 1 0 0 0. If I give 1 0 0 0, definitely I will get 1. We can check it. See, if I get 1 0 0 means, see here 0 means this will become 0. So once 1 0, if 1 means D, here D 0, this will become 1. Here this will become 1. So this will become 1. Okay, for AND gate, if any one of the input is 0 means output is 0. If all the inputs are 1 means the output will be 1. For OR gate, 0 1 0, the output will be 1. See, simply you can check all those things. For these numbers, equivalent decimal numbers, if you check here, we will get output as 1. For all the values, we will get 0. So this is the simplified equation. In Quine-Michelson method, we will get simplified equation. Okay, this is the method. So what are the things in here? He says the first thing we have to check whether it is min term or max term. Okay, if it is sigma pi means what they mean? It is, so sigma means it is min term. Other than next pi capital M, it is means max term. If it is min term means, okay, we have to, at this location what we have to put? We have to put 1. If it is max term means we have to put 0. That's all. Only thing is that if we check from here equation, if it is min term means we have to put 0, 1, max term means we have to put 0. How to find min term, max term? Sigma or pi. Next, how many variable problem we have to check? If it is 7 less than 7 means 3 variable. Okay, this max, this values 7 less than 7. Okay, 15 less than 15. Less than 15 means it will be 0 to 15. If it is 0 to 15, in between values means it is 4 variable. 0 to 31, it is 5 variable. That's all, 5 variable. According to that, you have to put the map. After putting the map, we had to substitute all the values. So after that, for SOP method, we had to box all the ones. We had to box all the ones. Okay, then how I am boxing? I will explain. This is one problem. For second problem, each and every problem I will explain. But this is since and implementation is very, very simple. Here onwards we are not going to see implementation. This already you know how to implement it. Simple thing. Okay, this is the thing. We are going to see many problems in the SOP method. Next, after SOP method, we will go for POS method. Okay, thank you.